What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 9/8/2015, doing our 5-box baseball mixer. It's been a couple weeks in the making, but it's finally here. The randoms for teams were done in a separate video. Let me do a quick recap of who's got who. There was a 5, and we went through this, and here's what we got. Put them into alphabetical order for us. Bill M has the Giants, Blue Jays, and Astros. Brandon H has the Mariners. Daniel H has the Red Sox and the Padres. David S has the Yankees and the Dodgers. Emilio A, Reds and Brewers. Gene W, the Diamondbacks. John T, Braves and Nationals. Kent R, Cubs and Pirates. Michael H, the Athletics. Simon P, the Orioles. Stu F, the Royals. Thomas A, the Cardinals. Tom C with the Rays, Twins, Marlins, Phillies, Tigers, Rockies, Rangers, Mets, and Indians. Troy R, White Sox. Troy R, Angels. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's do it. Okay. Where's my knife? There it is. Alright. Let's open Onyx first here. We're going to do Onyx. See if we get anything cool out of Onyx. It's a hit or miss kind of product. Either you pull out some monsters or not. Some have multiple autos in it. Let's see what we got there. See some green. We got DJ Peterson for Seattle and Luis Severino for the Yankees. How about a green auto for the Cincinnati Reds? Cincinnati Reds are going to be on the board here. I just got to bring up this and go to MLB. Line it up. Okay, so the Reds are going to be on the board. And that's going to be Cincinnati is Emilio. Emilio is getting that one. Okay, congrats. Let's pick it up here. See, we got 2 autos in this one. Nick Howard for Cincinnati. Nick Howard auto, Cincinnati. Hand numbered 11 out of 50. So very nice hit there for Emilio. And we also have blue auto of Jake Thompson for Texas. So that's going to Tom C, I believe, has Texas. So nice pull there for Tom C. Jake Thompson on-card auto for Texas. So 2 autos in that box of Onyx. Very nice. Always nice to get a couple autos in the box. We will save that one. Let's do 2011 Limited. If there are any redemptions, it is a Panini product, so the redemptions are going to be expired, but Panini will honor them either with the card if they still have it, or with something that they deem of equal value. Alright, so Bubba Starling draft hits, number to 249 for the Royals. So you're going to see some old school stuff here. Adrian Gonzalez, limited leather for the Red Sox. Ooh, Kev, I know this guy's familiar. I don't know what team he's on though now. Hunter, see if he's on anything. Hunter Mercado Hood. To 199.
Let's see. Drafted by the Oakland A's.
Alright.
2013 MLB June Amateur Draft.
Okay, so that's where it'll go. This is an 11 product, so closest. So we'll go Oakland on that. card. Even though it's not a hit, it'll go to Oakland. All right, another Rangers hit. Jared Hoying. Jared Hoying Prospects Auto to 899. Going to Texas. Here's a nice auto. Adam Jones going to Baltimore. Orioles. Simone P. getting that one. Orioles. Next, prospect going to Toronto. Matt Dean. Matt Dean to 250. Matt Dean to 250 for Toronto. That's Bill M. Getting that one. Matt Dean auto. And last but not least, prospect insert to 199. Robert Stevenson for Cincinnati. Okay. Remember, a hit is an auto, a jersey, memorabilia, or a card number to 50 or below. We do ship everything. Second box of Onyx. Second box of Onyx here. Okay. Tyler Kolek for Miami and Luis Saravino again base. Alright, it says, congratulations, you just received an international phenom, Yardier Alvarez. Trading card. The number doesn't mean anything because you have to essentially send this in. Kev, can you see if he's signed with anybody? Yadier Alvarez.
You see the spelling of that name?
Yeah. Yadier Alvarez. Kevin's looking that up. We'll look at the last card here. Dodgers. Okay. Devon Travis for Toronto. Devon Travis for Toronto. Auto there. So second Toronto hit for Bill M. Yadier Alvarez is Dodgers. Okay. Alright, Dodgers. David S., you're going to get that card. It says you fill out the back and you send it in to get the card. So that's the Dodgers. Okay, let's save Sterling for last in all the autos. Let's do one of my favorites, Elite. Nice little box of Elite here. 4 hits in this box at least, not counting all the ridiculous parallels to be pulled. Okay. Alright. Nothing there. And a jersey. Barry Bonds jersey. Career best, 73 home runs. 102 out of 299 going to San Francisco. That's Bill M. Getting a Barry Bonds jersey card, 102 out of 99. Yu Darvish, Wade Davis. Yu Darvish insert. So, Barry Bonds jersey out of the gate. Mariano Gold Star, not numbered. In base. Base there. Hype rookie Jorge Soler. Bless you. Green Miguel Cabrera to 199. Green Miguel Cabrera to 199. Hunter Pence base. Alright, Toronto killing it. Marcus Stroman bred to 299. That's Bill M. Jersey auto. Imagine Toronto when they get this kid back next year. Alright. So that's a nice pull there. Let's see what else we got. Jacob deGrom. Reggie Jackson, Legend of the Fall insert. Mark Teixeira, a green of Aaron Sanchez for Toronto to 199. Future Watch, Kansas City, Kyle Zimmer. Kyle Zimmer, Jersey auto to 299. 291 out of 299 for Kansas City. Stu F getting that one. Stu F getting that one. Right. Nothing there. Back to back for San Diego. Daniel H. Getting this one. Justin Upton, Will Myers. Justin Upton, Will Myers, double jersey. Back to back. Not numbered. Alright, 4 to go here. See if we can get an extra bonus hit out of here. Yasmani Tomas for Arizona. Nothing there. How about a gold? The Nationals gold. Gold to 49, a Bryce Harper. Bryce Harper to 49, gold. That's putting John T on the board. Nationals. Last one. Let's get a nice low parallel here, or an extra something. Alright, we did. We got an extra auto. Matt Barnes for the Red Sox. Daniel H. getting that one too. Daniel H., your teams came through here. Matt Barnes. Okay. Alright. Now for Bowman Sterling. Here we go. 18 autos per box. 18 autos per box, and at the price. It's actually not bad. We got a box topper also. So we'll see where that goes. Our box topper is... It's a nice box topper. And it's numbered to 50. Well, here you go. Troy R. Purple parallel box topper. Rookie Jose Abreu. Boom. There you go. What a way to start off this box. And that's numbered 8 out of 50. 8 out of 50. Jose Abreu. Box topper. Boom. Very nice. Okay. First pack. All right. Phillies. J.P. Crawford. J.P. Crawford, Phillies. That is Tom C. And that's a nice rookie pull there. J.P. Crawford. Base auto. Green auto of Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. And Thomas A. Getting that one. Cardinals. Green to 125. Follow that up with Foster Griffin. Foster Griffin for the Royals and Stu F. Foster Griffin, base auto. Alright, next one. We got a redemption. Got a redemption coming. Actually, I have to look this one up. Alright, let's see here. We got the Red Sox. Michael Kopech. Michael Kopech auto for the Red Sox. That's Daniel H. The Giants. Tyler Beede. Tyler Beede for the Giants. So that's Bill M. And then our redemption is Mike Pappy. I know I've looked this up in the past. Mike Pappy. Who do we got him here? Huh. I gotta look this up. He was drafted in 2011. I think 2014 June amateur draft. Cleveland. I think that's going to Cleveland. He's from Tunkhannock.
Is it?
Yep. Let me do this and double check everything. I just want to make sure it goes to the right spot. I'm almost positive now it's Cleveland. Let's do baseball cards 2014. And Sterling checklist. Control F P A P I. Yep, Cleveland. Going to Cleveland. Okay, so Mike Pappy auto. He's a local boy. Going to Cleveland. Cleveland on the board. That's Tom C. Tom C getting a little Cleveland. Okay. You have until this 2017 to redeem it, so we got some time there. There's a Michael Choice to 199. Micah Johnson for the White Sox. Base auto. Base auto of Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. Yankees, Gary Sanchez. David S. getting that one. Okay. Next, we've got Yangervis Solarte going to the Padres, and Daniel H. Solarte going to Daniel H. Base auto. Alright, base here of Trey Turner. Braves on the board. Jason Hirsch. Jason Hirsch base auto for the Braves. Okay. That's going to John T. Also going to John T for the Fighting Wegmans. Eric Feed or Fede. Base auto for the Nationals. And also for the Nationals, base auto, Luis Giolito. Luis Giolito, base auto. Alright, down to 2 packs. See some more color here. Kyle Schwarber to 199. Kyle Schwarber to 199. And for the Reds, and Emilio is, and there's another Nick Howard auto. So you got the Nick Howard out of Onyx, and you're getting a Nick Howard out of Sterling. We've also got Jorge Alfaro for the Rangers going to Tom C. And here's a cool rookie auto of Billy Hamilton. Billy Hamilton rookie auto. Base auto going to the Reds. So Emilio crushing it here with the Reds. Last pack. Still looking to fill the basketball mixer. We got the throwback of Buster Posey. Pittsburgh on the board. Cole Tucker. Cole Tucker getting that one is Kent R. Kent R getting the Cole Tucker auto. Nice Derek Hill auto here. Derek Hill base auto for Detroit. Tom C. And last but not least, we've got Hunter Harvey to 150. Hunter Harvey to 150. Focus. Hunter Harvey to 150 going to Baltimore and Simone P. Alright guys, that'll do it. Thanks for filling it. We'll get it shipped out to you as fast as possible. More baseball on the site. October releases, September releases, all on site. Thanks a lot.